Can rose water and glycerin be used for all hair types?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic: rose water and glycerin for hair care. We'll explore whether these ingredients can be used for all hair types and what benefits they can provide. Keep in mind that everybody's hair is unique and different products may react differently for each individual.
What are rose water and glycerin?
Let's start with understanding what these two ingredients are. Rose water is a flavored water made by steeping rose petals in water, whereas glycerin is a colorless, odorless, viscous liquid that is sweet-tasting and non-toxic. Both these components are widely used in the cosmetic industry due to their numerous beneficial properties.
Can rose water and glycerin be used for all hair types?
Now to the crux of our discussion. Can rose water and glycerin be used for all hair types? The short answer is yes, they can. These ingredients are gentle and generally safe for all hair types, whether your hair is dry, oily, or normal. However, how you use them and in what proportions can vary based on the specific needs of your hair.
What are the benefits of rose water and glycerin for hair?
You might be wondering, why should you consider these ingredients for your hair care? Well, there are numerous benefits. Rose water helps to balance the scalp's pH, has anti-inflammatory properties, and can aid in reducing dandruff. It also imparts a beautiful rose fragrance to your hair. Glycerin, on the other hand, is a great humectant, meaning it helps retain or preserve moisture in the hair. This makes it particularly beneficial for dry hair types. However, it's important to note that too much glycerin can make your hair feel heavy, so it's essential to use it in moderation, especially for oily and fine hair types. And that's a wrap. We've learned today that rose water and glycerin can indeed be used for all hair types, but the way you use them should align with your hair's specific needs. Here's to hoping you've found this information useful and you're one step closer to achieving your hair care goals. Until next time, stay gorgeous.